me keep this going because I'm getting all confused. All right, so Acer, that is number 34. Root position chords in D. Page 15. Who's next? Page 15. Oh, jump for it. Go ahead, Ayla.
Can I do it in D too?
Yeah. Ayla's up next.
Does that also count as a challenge? So 2 different 30.
That doesn't sound right. All right,
We're doing it in a different position?
We're doing it in D now. She's got to figure out what the 4 chord is now. Go to the 4 chord.
No last chord.
Why would it be F? Think of the key of D major. There's no F
it.
in there.
Mrs. Allen, I know how to play it, I just don't know the finger.
Well, watch and you'll do it. Now, wait a minute. Let's count. D, E, F sharp, G. Yeah, there's the 4 chord.
This?
No, count this way. Yeah, no, I'll take your hand. I want it. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's a G chord. And then the 5 chord's going to be in A chord. Got it? Let's start over again. I'm going to get my paws off of you. Go for it. Good. Now it sounds right. I'm just letting it go. Make it A major. And back to D, D, D.
D. Did I miss anything?
Nope.
Like today?
Nope. We've just been checking 14, 15. Now reverse it.
Wait. Does this record
Yeah,
without...
page 15. You have to complete it.
Does this record...
Someone was busy drawing a picture.
I didn't know it had to right
Oh.
to do
It was on the assignment.
this.
Oh well. And back
It
to
said page 13.
and back to D. Good. All right, that work on it. Quite make it. Evangeline, go. Yeah, you can get that one. That's for homework, so not to worry.
Okay.
Now you should be watching, so come over and watch. Evangeline, show her the fingering. She's using standard root position D. She moves over to 4 chord, which is a G. She moves over to the 5, and she goes back to the D major root position chord. Now she's going to reverse it. Arpeggiating the left hand. She moves over to the G. She goes over to A, and back to the D. Yeah, a piece of cake. Okay, so Sibel, you can do this. Go for it. Sibel, and watch her as because she knows the hand position. She just has to transpose it to D. Good thinking. Yes. Now she reverses it. Arpeggiate in the left. Make G major. There you go. Good. And go to A major.
Did you do the
A major. We haven't done that yet. I have them. They're okay. Yeah. And back to D major. Good, Sibel. Go give yourself a number 27. So, Alessa, do you understand how this works? Do you want to try the one in C?
It said page 13.
You're on the wrong one. This is 2 weeks ago. Remember you missed last week. So not to worry. Not to worry. You can always do these when you come back. All right. Anybody else is playing because Alessa needs to catch up, but that's between her and me. Let's go on to Billaboo. Billaboo, 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 Billaboo. Just the melody alone. Go for it. Yeah. Let it go first and you'll be next.
Is it in D?
It starts in E minor. Good. Then goes over to D. Good. Nice. Alessa, let's hear your Billaboo in E minor. Be ready to be next, Evangeline. Great. Evangeline, you're next.
Wait, so I'm getting on to 19?
Alone first. You'll see where I'm going with this. Yes, you're getting close,
When
Bella.
I
You're
do
on
it with
27.
chords,
Wait, but I'm 19.
Well, move it up to 27.
Miss, but can I do it on that kind of piano? Because I do the, no, when I do it with chords.
Yes,
When I do it with
yes.
chords, can I do it?
Yes, yes. So everyone quiet, please. Let's hear Evangeline doing the melody in E minor. Shh. Okay, so you're next. No practicing? Great. Go for it, Acer, in E minor. Make sure everybody's on the same plane. Great. And Sibel. Starting on E. You're a little high. Go down an octave. There you go. All right, so now here's how you get it onto the 30-piece challenge. The first one I'll take is where the right hand plays the melody, then the left hand plays the melody, just like they do it on the recording.
One?
But can you do it at
I
the
want to
same
do it with
time?
chords. Or is it two?
No, I don't want it with alone, and I'll mention chords. So this is the first step for someone who says, I can't do the chords. Well, this is the one I will accept. Well, the right hand plays it. Then the left hand. So that's the bottom line, okay? Now the next step is
I wanna
where you
do it with
add
chords.
chords. So let's hear it with chords.
I want to do it.
Good, then you do it with chords.
And then can I do it
But
with
if you're saying, I
chords?
can't do the chords, that is the one step I will accept. Let's hear it. Move to a D major chord. Good. Back to that E minor chord. Da, da, da. Now, she's not done though, she has to reverse it. Yeah, on both hands. So each hand,
But that's really hard.
yeah. Well, that's the next step. So I'm
So
putting
what
Billa
do you
Boo a
do
little
again?
higher. So it goes like this. Right hand plays the melody, left hand plays the chords. Reverse. Yes. And if you want to add that ending, you can.
Can we play both?
Can I try?
30-piece challenge right
Of course you
now?
can try.
I don't
Well, if it's up, I'll let you know if I think it's ready. Let's
I
hear
want to do
yours.
it.
Wait a minute. All right, so let Asa go ahead. Metronome, just hit it. So the reason why, boom, boom. So he got that one because he got the melody in each hand. So yep, that's number 35 for you. Go ahead. Billaboo.
Thank you for playing today.
With chords. You may take 35, Acer.
Here's the
Who
big
wants to
metal
try
one.
it? Now, remember, I also
Can I
will
do
take
it?
one with just the melody in each hand. You want to try it?
Yeah, me too.
You want to try it?
I want to do it with just the melody.
Okay, and what are you going to do? You're not sure yet.
I don't know how to do the chords, so I'm just gonna do
So you just do the melody. That's why I gave that option. Yes, go ahead.
But I
Can we
play a
record
little
it?
touch to it.
All right, whatever you do, let me hear it. Jump over to that piano.
Wait, it was for 15. Did you get through?
Yep, you're at 35.
I'm ready.
And I include 15.
Can I pass
Okay, listen on in. Here's her recording. Shh, here we go.
Why is she doing
She just wants that chord. Now, I love it with pedal. And when you change chord, you need to refresh your pedal.
that? Yeah, I do.
Right? Whitesburg. That was my Girl Scout leader, and she used to play this way on the piano. It used to drive me nuts. Mrs. Whitesburg, take your foot off the pedal. And she didn't know what I was talking about. So, just lift and lower the pedal when you change chords. I love chord. Yeah. Yeah, now you gotta reverse it. Yeah. Good. Well, okay, but you can do it with both hands. You'll work on that. I see what you're doing. Cool. Leslie, you're next. Get ready. Very interesting. Go give you a number, I don't know. 34.
Give me a number.
Okay, go, Alessa. 34. And the other hand? All right, give yourself a 34. Ayla, do you want to do just melody, or you want to add the
Sibel
chords?
is being very annoying by pushing down my book off the.
You
I
keep
noticed.
slapping me with your book.
Well, could I hear you play Billaboo melody only?
Well, I don't care. I'm just gonna make you play Billaboo. I'm Miss Ellen. And then the other hand?
And then the other hand. Very good. Give yourself a 28. Ayla, let's put Billaboo on. You do it with chords or without? 29? Yeah. Yes, Sibel, you're up to 28.
Oh, wait, I'm 24?
All right, unless you want to bring it down to 8, that's fine. Go ahead.
Wait, what? Oh,
Yeah, or what? You could add chords or not, but I want to hear the melody in one hand or the other. You could add chords with one hand and just play the melody.
Let's go like that.
Excuse me?
Both hands?
You could do both. You could do this one, which you were doing, or you can do that and then just do the melody. Now, everybody else, everyone else, you may not be moving like this. Ayla needs to finish this. So go sit at your pianos and be patient. She's patient with you.
Can we just sit on the rug?
And with no chords.
Can we sit on the rug?
No, because you end up rolling around, so sit there. I know that too well. Right hand, do the right hand. Let me hear the melody alone with the left hand. Just give it a try, because you'd be so right.
I
It's
didn't
really
do it.
not
I
as
promise
hard as
I didn't do it. I didn't. It's like
I am watching you. You know that? I am watching you.
It's like that.
I didn't do this. The wind was like
The wind. The wind, yeah.
It's like that part in the Polar Express when she's like,
Exactly. So now play the right hand with the chords, then play the left hand without the chords. That I'll take that. All right. I need quiet. She's recording. You need quiet. Give her some quiet. Here she goes. Go ahead. And move over to the D chord. Good. And back to E minor chord. Good. Now play the melody with the left hand. So that's a good start. Exactly. So give yourself a 24.
what?
24. Everybody take the books and go to the floor. Take the books to the floor.
Can I see that?
please.